next thing is light fixtures. And again, we're talking about things that are going to bring you the highest ROI when you are selling your home. So light fixtures, getting updated light fixtures for your kitchen area, your dining room, your entryway, and your exterior, they shouldn't cost you more than, $1,000 to maybe $2,500 for your entire home. And again, you want them up to, current design standards and things that are selling. Go to Lamps Plus, go to Wayfair. And usually for our listings, we go and pick those items for our clients because we know what sells. We know the light fixtures, we know the paint colors, we know the landscaping on the outside, and we have the handy people and the contractors who can do all those items for us. But if you are doing this on your own, then make sure that your light fixtures are updated and that you've chosen something that is kind of with the times. And you can go and get ideas from Pinterest or House or go on Instagram and look to see what is the latest trend.